Alright, welcome back to the next system test. In this system test we're going to be doing a simulated power outage, so you can see it is pitch black outside. So we're going to be turning off all the lights and turning off all the power. Now unfortunately I don't have any emergency lights, so for now I've just got a simple LED strip and a 12 volt battery. Right, so let's get into it. So we'll turn off the desk lights. Alright, that's on. Now we'll turn off the main lights. Alright, so now we're all on backup lighting, or battery lighting, I should say. So I've just turned off the fire alarms mains. That should go away. Yep. And it'll do that every 45 minutes if the mains stays off. And soon it should say, yep, no AC on the alarm panel. You can see over there it's also saying AC loss. There you go. But we still have power to the detectors. There you go. Right, so let's do, what should we do first? I think we'll just do a call point over here. Just check the bells on, should be, yep. There we go. So I'll just reset the panel. That's back into defect because of the mains. Just resetting the security alarm there. And we can go ahead and test the smoke detector if I can get my blooming magnet. Right, so let's choose this one. My bad, sorry. Alright. Come on, focus camera. Come on, camera. Alright, well, I'm just turning off the panel, you know what I'm doing. Oh. Right, so we can test the security alarm now. So I'll just arm it and away. I've got 20 seconds. Now, with the AC, with the no AC message, kind of messes up the countdown. So, yeah. So you see how it's kind of going in and out. It shouldn't be doing that. It's only because it's got no AC. So I think we're armed. So now I'm going to set this one off. Just try to focus. Yeah, so I'll just wave. Or move. Come on, mate. Alright. So alarm, shed motion, come on. Oh, it's got 5 million different things to go through, doesn't it? Right, there we go. So I don't know if you could see during that exit delay, or entry delay I should say, but since it's on battery backup, the display was actually dimming when the speaker was going, so that's one interesting thing. Right, so I think that's about all there is to cover, otherwise it's all just repeating, doing smoke detectors and call points. Now, I do have something very exciting coming in the mail. It's to do with the speakers, or the bells I should say. You might already guess what it is, but yeah, in about a week or two you should see what I mean. Right, so I'll see you then.